This guy's checking out his omelette through a loop. And just checking the bus timetable here. So had enough of this waiting on the bus, and it looked like we were going to be waiting like an hour here. So and we're at Siam Paragon right now. So this bus was going to go over to Central World. So we just thought, oh, we'll get off. We'll just get off here. So. Walking through the food court area of Siam Paragon. Yeah, what food is it that you ordered here at the...
ผัดถั่วงอก
So now we're getting on the BTS SkyTrain, and here I am buying the ticket to go to Prompong. Prompong station's where the Emporium and Quartier shopping mall is. That's right, you stay in Chinatown. It's like 20 minutes bus ride to Siam and the shopping malls and everything anyway, and then you street food everywhere.
Next station.
An interesting place to explore too. Here we are now, we're in Emporium shopping mall. This is M Quartier shopping mall over now in Prompong, and this shopping mall, it's I don't particularly like it. It's like kind of a maze. You don't know where you are. Kind of big. There's two buildings, and you got to walk over to the other building backwards and forwards. I don't know. It's a bit of a disaster, I think. From Prompong Emporium and M Quartier shopping mall, we got the BTS back to Chitlom, because Chitlom you can walk through Gason Plaza through to Central World. That's where we were going. So grab your things and stumble into the night, so we can shut the door and shut the door on terrible times. This is Gason Mall, which is close to Chitlom BTS station, and it's like kind of an old luxury mall. He was checking out some nice Victorinox watch. Then we walk over to Central World.
We can break the laws until it gets weird.
Yeah, what's this one called?
ข้าวขาหมู
Pork leg with rice. It's a classic Thai dish.
What would make you feel better?
Now from Central World, walking back to Siam Paragon.
Such a local ring, and love and rock are bigger things, and you know it. Yeah, you know it. Yeah, you know.
Here we are at Siam Paragon supermarket, which is on the ground floor, and I was just buying some Dove soap because it's like the best. Pretty good shopping supermarket here, but yeah, pretty busy too. Okay, thanks for watching, and let us know what you think about this one in the comments. Cheers.